I spent the night on the top of a mountain, alone, with no shelter, just a bivouac I built myself. Temperatures dropped below freezing, and all around me was snow and silence.
But the views, words can't even describe them.
Today I came here. This is Krvavec. Behind this hill here there's a ski resort, but today's mission is not to reach the top of ski resort, but to reach the summit of Corena or Compostela. And yeah, by the way, I'm going to sleep up there. I think that backpack has around around 10 kilos, maybe more. That's the road that I will take. Wish me luck and let's go. Yeah, it really is late in the afternoon, so I better hurry up to catch the sunset. It looks like a fairy tale, god damn it. Now I have to go around there. So, the first little mountain hut. So this little hut is my emergency backup plan. So if something goes wrong, I will sleep here outside. 1 hour to Compostela. So yeah, I am late. I've never hiked so fast in my entire life. Oh, that's exhausting, but finally I caught sunlight. And as the sun comes out, instantly becomes 10 times nicer. Well, if that's not worth it, then nothing is. I think I won't make it. So to the top of Compostela, it's 30 minutes. So I think I can make it. It's still possible, so let's add some nitro to my legs. Let's go. So yeah, I missed the sunset. Never mind. I love you too. Well, I made it. Look at this view, man. That's the most beautiful view in the mountains in quite a while. That's it. I made it to the top of Compostela. Man, just look at this view. And there's also no wind today, so that's perfect. Today I will sleep here. I will make this my home for the night. I will make a little bivouac. You'll see it in a minute. Well, I made my bivouac and now I'm just chilling here at the top. I think I'll just chill here for as long as it takes. This will be the first time for me to sleep on the summit in the winter. Right now it's, I think, least -5 degrees. If I wouldn't have emergency bag on me right now, I wouldn't sit here. My bivouac is a few meters lower and there are bushes around. I also brought some extra light with me. Why not? So that's my emergency bag. I cut it in half and made it my roof. I strung my ropes on a walking stick, and the other side of the rope I attached on this little branch here. All the rocks for extra support. My hour shows us that we are at 2009 meters, but yeah, I know that that number isn't true. I will Google it for you. Oh, nice. That just looks amazing, man. My little camp and thousands of lights down below. I mean, just look at this. Down there there's Kamnik, and then all the way down there there's Ljubljana. So it's 11 p.m. and it's time for me to go to sleep, right? Because in the morning I have to wake up at least at 5:30 or at 6 a.m. I really can't be late for sunrise, so yeah. That's how it looks from inside. So yeah, thanks for watching first day. Now stay with me, because in the morning I think the views and the sunrise will blow our minds. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night.
Nature's beauty is something you have to see with your own eyes to truly believe. Out here, surrounded by this raw, untamed world, you feel small, but stronger at the same time. It's in moments like this that the bond with nature reminds you of who you really are.
Well, good morning. Yeah, as you can see, my tent didn't make it through the night. A gust of wind came suddenly and just shredded it in half. So one half is on that side, the other one there. But never mind, because I'm still warm, and this happened about 30 minutes ago. How was the night? The night wasn't really pleasant, because I think overall I slept for around maybe 2 or 3 hours. Because after midnight the wind started to blow and my tent was shaking like this. So yeah, try to sleep in that conditions. It looks like I'm going to freeze to death right now, but no worries. Man, as cold as it is and as windy as it is, man, that's the most beautiful view that I saw in my entire life. The conditions are brutal again, but never mind. Because the nature is so goddamn beautiful that it's totally worth it. And yeah, that's what's left of my tent. But you see this strong construction. Now let's clean up this mess. First, sleeping bags. Yeah, I packed all my equipment, so now I'm ready to leave the summit, because conditions are getting dangerously similar to those it's just blowing and it's getting crazy again. You can see all the snow. So yeah, that's the top of Compostela again. And yeah, I will go down now. Wow. Last thing to do. Now I challenge you guys to come up here and take a selfie or take a photo with our sticker and then send it to us via Instagram. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the summit of Compostela, and now I'm leaving. Woo! Crazy, man, again. Let's go down. Now I'm on this crossroad again, top of Vrh Korena. It's just 20 minutes. Why not? It's only 8 in the morning, right? And another summit on my bucket list. We are on top of Vrh Korena, and the day is just becoming nicer and nicer. Here you can also see Rtitovec. That's where I spent the night in a bivouac during a snowstorm. You can check this video up here if you like. Now let's descend down. I will take a few minutes break here and show you why this hut is really unique in its own way. Matersames Jane. Open non-stop. Self-service bar. Oh. Yeah, if the conditions on the top would be unbearable, I would definitely come down here. What is here? Oh, that's just amazing, man. From Yugoslavian Airlines. Damn, that's old. I will drink something, but I don't know what. I think I will go for this. Yeah, Radler, that's the best. And that's the house of good health. Oh, oh! If I eat this, I have to be here for 2 more days. Nah, I'm just kidding. Oh, and another one. This little cabin looks just like a paradise to me. So yeah, my friends, I will take this Radler and I will leave you 4 euros. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So 1, 2, that's it. Thank you guys. I really appreciate this. So keep up the good work. Oh, yeah, now I need 15 minutes break. Please tell me in the comments, where should I go next? The comment with most likes or the summit that's been mentioned the most times in the comments will be our next goal. So yeah, go ahead and write it down. Oh, opa. So those were the last verticals for today, and from now on just downwards. I like this. So we started this video here, and I think it's appropriate to also finish it here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.